Perfect. So welcome to the session. How are you doing today?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. And I'm doing well. And how about you?
I'm doing very well. I just had a busy day and I'm still having a busy day. I think it's going to be like this for the next couple of hours. But yeah, apart from that, nothing new. What about you? Anything special about your day?
Yeah, overall it was really usual day. And actually, I had talked with my friend. That's why I'm feeling happy now. And
Oh,
it was really great day for me.
hmm. Okay. Fair enough. All right. All right. Okay. Before I proceed ahead, do you happen to have any sort of doubts, queries, questions, anything you wish to ask or clarify?
No, ma'am. Actually, I want to do the conversation really. And after doing the conversation, before 1 minute, you will give me the feedback which I make,
Mm-hmm.
which mistake I have done or anything. And
Mm-hmm.
actually, I want to know which I am doing the mistake.
All right, perfect. Right, so as of now, if there are no doubts, then I'm going to proceed ahead with our topic for today. Right, our topic for today is pretty interesting. It's celebrities, so we'll talk about that. But at any point, if the topic gets boring for you, or if you wish to talk about something else, you can let me know. I'll change the topic. Right.
No, ma'am, it was a good topic. We can discuss about this topic.
All right, perfect. Right, so talking about celebrities, there are a lot of celebrities around us, especially in India itself. We have too many celebrities, not just film and songs and everything, but apart from that, also cricket and whatnot.
There are so many celebrities who are famous in India. Actually,
All right, okay. Film stars and celebrities in general, I mean, if you know anything about them at all, that is that they have a lot of money, right? That is quite clear.
yeah, yeah,
But you might have heard that a lot of them are still unhappy, or they usually report being depressed, or they usually report facing some sort of mental issue and going to therapists and everything. So, even after having so much money and luxury, they face such problems. What do you think about that? Do you think that's true? Do you think it actually happens? Would you agree with that?
yeah, ma'am. Because it actually happens because and if celebrities have so many they are having a luxurious life, but apart from that they are also facing so many problems like they can't roaming around freely, and they can't shop anything because they have to take bodyguard or anything to um, go out roaming around. That's why they are not so free because as like that general people can go here and there easily, but they don't need any bodyguard or anything. But for celebrities, uh, they need the bodyguard or anything. That's why I think they face so many problems. It's not that it's boring for them because when their fans come to them and they want their autograph or selfie anything, they feel happy their day easily. That's why it's pretty boring. It's not that it's fully boring for them, but it's pretty boring, I think.
Hmm. Yeah, I think after a certain point, that hustle and bustle gets boring because
Yeah,
they're facing it every day. So that can become a problem in their life. That's true. Because if you're surrounded by people all the time, even that is irritating. Even if you are an extroverted personality, you will not enjoy everybody like interfering
yeah,
with your space all the time. So that's there. Okay, so knowing all these advantages and disadvantages, or pros and cons, or whatever you want to call it, both sides of being a celebrity, the good parts and the bad parts, do you think being a celebrity is worth it? There are good parts, of advantages and disadvantages of being a celebrity. So, knowing all the advantages and disadvantages, if you
yeah,
are
ma'am.
given an opportunity to be a celebrity, would you wish to be a celebrity? Would you like to be a celebrity? Would you like to
Yeah,
be
ma'am.
that famous?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, it's not that I don't like this type of this celebrities life because actually if I get chance then definitely I wanted to be a celebrity.
Hmm. So let's say you do become a celebrity in any given field that you want to be famous in. You become a
Yeah.
celebrity in that field. How do you think your life would change? Like comparing it from how your life is right now to if you become a celebrity, what things will be different? How will they be different?
Yeah, actually, like I already told that we can't roaming around here and there. We need to bodyguard
Hmm.
everything, and we like that. If I want to visit anybody, then I need so many bodyguards and anything. But apart from that, we can't. There will be so many work for me, and there I have to do so many things. It's not that we have to work hard, and we will enjoy it very much also. We will enjoy
Hmm.
very much also, and it's that there have so many pros and cons of celebrities.
Hmm.
I think.
Okay. Fair enough. All right.
Yeah,
Okay. Right. So talking further about celebrities, like you might have seen a lot of celebrities doing a lot of social work, as in like
yeah,
donating money or like starting NGOs and everything like that. So a lot of celebrities put a lot about whatever they have done for social work on social media. Do you, when it comes to talking about celebrities, what do you think are some of the qualities that a celebrity should must have? You were answering the question. Yeah.
I I think I'm talking about celebrities, and
Yeah, the qualities they have. I was asking you what are
yeah,
some
yeah,
qualities
the
that a
qualities.
celebrity should have?
Yeah, they should have to, because they should have to the attitude also, and they have to actually, if anybody will be a celebrity, then they should have to follow the general, because they have to follow the fashion, because if they all will have to wear costly clothes or add clothes and anything. They have to wear so many things because they have to use the costly thing, because social media is really burning, because if they
Mm-hmm.
use anything, because the people are choosing to, because if any celebrities wear a low price dress, and people are will make so many thing about him. That's why they have to follow so many things, because they have to spend a lot of money to maintain their fashion. They have to um, arrange so many for this anything. They have to spend money a lot. They have to spend a lot of money for their fashion. So, and they have to a lot of things which they have to do, I think.
Hmm. Okay. Fair enough. Right. Okay. What are some qualities on the contrary that you think a celebrity should not have? Like, for example, a lot of times we say that a celebrity should not be abusive when it comes to his language, right? So, according to you, what are some of the things that a celebrity should not do or should not have, considering they have a social impact? Whenever they talk, it gets recorded, it gets displayed. So, considering they have a social impact, what qualities do you think they shouldn't have?
Yeah, ma'am. I have already seen so many celebrities who misbehave with, there are so many celebrities who misbehave with reporter, because they talk with the reporters or rudely or anything. That's why they
Hmm.
should maintain their behavior, and they should talk with people very calmly on anything. And they should not have to be very angry anything, because there are so many celebrities who can't control themselves, because they behave rudely or anything, and this type of video will viral also. That's why it will
Hmm.
viral also. That's why they should maintain this type of uh, behavior, and they have to control
Right,
themselves.
okay. Are there any particular celebrities that you like or you might have followed on any social media if you are on social media? Are there any celebrities that you like in general?
Yeah, actually, I don't like this type of video. If you talk about the motivational speaker, I have so many
Mm-hmm.
motivational speaker whom I like, because there are so many. Like Sandeep Maheshwar is my favorite motivational speaker, as well as
Mm-hmm.
I like also Vivek Bindra, and
Hmm.
like that. It's not that I don't like any actor or actress, because I when I saw a movie, I like them, their actor or actress, and after sometimes when I watch, if I watch other movies, then I like them. That's why I don't have any particular favorite actor or actress or anything, or singer, or that's why I like the. But apart from that, I like the Sandeep Maheshwari very much as a motivational speaker, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. What are some of the qualities that you appreciate in him so much?
Yeah, I like his person's behavior, and he talk with his student very. calmly, and they explain everything in his way. He have every answer, because if anybody face any problem, if they talk with Sandeep Maheshwari, they solve every problem, because if we face any problem in our life, we can talk with him, and they can solve any problem. Because actually I love him, because he don't have any, because they don't have attitude anything, because they talk with the children as a friend. They never talk with, he explain everything in his way. Because
Hmm.
I think that's why I like him very much, and not like I love him very much.
That makes sense. All right, okay. Right, I'll pause here because we're left with less time. So let me first give you a feedback and then we'll proceed
Yeah,
further.
ma'am.
As for the feedback, see, I don't find a lot of mistakes in your grammar except for a few
Yeah,
mistakes in prepositions here and there, nothing major. But there is a lack of vocab because I feel like there are places where you're trying to look for words or you're trying to describe yourself better, but you're falling short of words, falling short of phrases. So my
yeah,
emphasis would be that try to learn more idioms and more intermediate vocab word. There is no need to learn very like hi-fi words because usually we don't use those very technical terms or very difficult words in general language because the point of communication is that whatever I'm saying, you should be able to understand that, right?
yeah,
I can go and use like really difficult words right now also, but then if you don't understand me, there is no use, right? So
yeah,
try to
yeah,
focus more on general usage of words, words that are used in our day-to-day lives. For that, I recommend usually watching or listening to stuff. Reading is not always that helpful because you don't learn the pronunciation of the word, you don't learn the exact context of the word. Try to go for videos and audios of your choice. It doesn't have to be something that you
yeah,
don't
ma'am.
like. Go for something that you already enjoy so that when you're sitting, you can actually pay attention to it and it doesn't feel boring. Right? Could be motivational videos, could be videos of your choice, could be educational videos, could be any sort of movies or series that you want to follow. Try to go and listen for podcasts if you're interested in motivational podcasts. There are plenty of motivational podcasts. There is one podcast by, I think, what is that Indian guy, um, Ranveer Alavadi, I think he has like an English podcast.
Yeah,
So his podcast is
yeah,
pretty good. The way he uses language, he uses basic words that we use in our day-to-day language. So it can be very helpful that way. Apart from that, idioms and phrases. Why I recommend idioms and phrases? Because they make you sound more like a native. They make you sound like you have been speaking English for a long time. It doesn't feel like you are new to this language, right?
yeah,
And
ma'am.
usually they're
Yeah,
easy for the other person to catch up on. It makes you sound advanced without like paying too much like effort into it, right? So
yeah,
I'll share a couple of links with you so that you get a hint of as to what I'm exactly saying. You don't have to like rote learn any of these. Just take like hints from it, and if you want to follow these links, you can. Otherwise, there are a lot more websites that you can visit, right? I just put them all in the chat section. You
yeah,
can
ma'am.
either take a screenshot or you can like copy the links. That's totally up to you, right? The links are
Yeah, ma'am.
visible to you, right?
Yeah, ma'am.